Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get an everyday look inspired by Princess Belle. I get inspiration for fashion and beauty from all over the place, but one of my favorite places I love to get inspiration from is Disney, which I'm sure isn't super surprising, but I'm going to be sharing with you a hairstyle, makeup look, and outfit all inspired by Belle. And it's easy enough that you can just wear it for your everyday life. So let's get into the video. Starting with my makeup, I'm applying my primer, and I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I'm just rubbing it all into my skin like I would a moisturizer. Moving on to foundation, I'm using Rare Beauty foundation, and I'm just applying it all over my skin, and then I rub this in like a moisturizer too. I know most people use a brush, but I just like doing it this way. It works well for me. Next, I'm going in with my concealer, and I use Tarte Shape Tape, and I just blend this all into my eye area. I like using this as my eyeshadow primer too. It works so well. To set all of my face makeup, I'm using Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, and this is my absolute favorite powder. It makes my skin feel so soft, and my skin doesn't get oily at all during the day. It's so perfect. Next, I'm going in with this peach blush from the Too Faced Christmas in New York palette. This will help you achieve that same flushed look that Belle has. I'm just using my brush to apply this to the apples of my cheeks, and smiling when you apply your blush really does help, so I suggest you do that. Next, you want to apply any light colored champagne highlight. I'm using this highlighter from the Disney Masquerade ColourPop line, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones, and then also on the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. For my eyebrows, I just did my everyday eyebrow gel that I use all the time. It's from NYX, a tinted eyebrow gel, and you just want a very natural looking eyebrow for this look, nothing too dramatic. To start my eyeshadow, I'm using the Too Faced Christmas in New York palette. I'm going to be using Dolce de Leche. It's a warm, medium brown shade, and you can use any color like that and just apply it into the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Coconut from that palette and applying it all over my lid. To help connect the crease and the lid eyeshadow, I'm using the shade Banana Cream, which is like a sparkly medium brown shade, and applying that on my outer corner and blending it into my crease. Here I'm using the shade Almond Mocha and applying it to my upper lash line with an angled eyeliner brush. This will create a much softer look instead of a harsh eyeliner. To finish off the eyeshadow, I'm taking my highlight and applying that to my brow bone and my inner corner. For my mascara, I'm using this Grande mascara, which I've been loving lately, and it's perfect because it'll make your eyelashes very long and voluminous and make it look like you're almost wearing false lashes, but you don't need to apply any. To complete the look, you want to use any coral lipstick that you have to match Belle, and I'm using this ColourPop lipstick in the shade Paparazzi. I'm applying a light coralish pink lip gloss over the lipstick, so it's just not as bright and adds a glossy finish. Here is my completed Belle makeup. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out, and I would wear this like any day. So moving on to the hair, you want to start by just brushing out your hair and doing a middle part. You want to separate two front sections of your hair and just tie them off with an elastic because you will need these separate for later on in the hairstyle. So now you're going to create a half ponytail, and you're just gonna secure this with a hair elastic, and I actually use two because my hair is kind of thick. I'm using a volume spray at the base of my half ponytail, and I'm gently teasing this with my comb just to create a little more lift and volume than I normally have. This was a little hard to do because I only had a wide tooth comb, so I didn't really get a whole lot of volume, but you want to use like a rat tail comb or teasing comb when you do this. And now I'm going to twist the ponytail around itself to create the bun just like Belle has. And I'm using a few bobby pins to hold this in place. I think I used about 4. And this is what the bun looks like so far. And now just brush out the two front sections of hair you separated, and you're going to be curling these away from your face. I use about a 1-inch curling iron, I think it is. And just hold the curl until it cools. This will make sure it holds its shape and doesn't just fall out. And then just do the same on this side. And you have these two curls. And now I'm just doing that same technique with the rest of my hair. You don't need to hold the curling iron on real long because you aren't going for like a super curly look, just some loose waves. My hair is all curled. I'm taking the front section of hair to create the swoop in the front that Belle has, and I'm gonna pin that, and then I'm taking the rest of that hair, wrapping it around the bun, and just pinning that in place too. So here is what that looks like, and I'm going to do the same process on the other side. You can see here I'm just creating that swoop in the front, and then I'm going to pin the end around the bun. Use a wide tooth comb to gently brush out the curls. This will create a softer, wavier effect instead of having like perfect tight curls. And here's the finished hair. So now it's time for the outfit to complete the Belle look. I picked out this yellow dress from Francesca's that I got over the summer. I think this is absolutely perfect because obviously you need a yellow dress for Belle. Here is an up-close look, and I think it's still perfect to be worn every day. It doesn't like scream Disney princess, but kind of. And here's just the finished look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it's so fun to create these everyday Disney princess inspired looks. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be trying out this hair and makeup and even a similar outfit too. And also let me know if there's another Disney princess you want to see. I think doing these kinds of videos are so much fun. I love mixing like Disney style into an everyday look. This sort of thing, it's so much fun. So just let me know in the comments if there's also another Disney princess you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!